Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings and jumping straight to phone. This saves time. Tap Call Screening now and enable the feature. You need to grant microphone and call access so the system can screen. Once done, pick a screening mode, auto filter for best catch rate, silence unknown callers to block numbers not in contacts, or custom rules to tailor behavior for specific groups. This first set of choices determines how invasive screening will be and which calls are handled automatically. Next, you customize the middle layer, rules and actions. Tap into each category, contacts, recents, unknown, and assign an action. For example, announce caller for contacts, send unknown to voicemail. Make sure to fine-tune thresholds, like only auto-filtering numbers not seen in 30 days, and add exceptions for VIPs. Also, set a schedule so screening relaxes during important hours. This prevents missed emergency calls. These settings control the decision tree the phone uses when a call arrives. Finally, you validate and troubleshoot. Make test calls from known, unknown, and blocked numbers to confirm actions match your rules. Monitor the call history and screen calls logged to catch false positives and adjust filters if needed. If screening behaves poorly, toggle the feature off and on, reboot your device, and ensure iOS is updated. These steps clear cached policies. If problems persist, remove and re-add custom rules. This last phase ensures reliable screening without losing important calls.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.